Welcome to AutoCAD Designing. This is the SolidWorks 3D modeling, exercise number 22. We make this 3D model in minimum and simple steps. Let's start. Launch your SolidWorks software, click on New, select the part, and then OK. We will make a 3D model help of this diagram. You can check the link of this diagram in the description for your practice. First, we analyze the diagram and decide the steps. At the start, we select the front plane and draw this sketch according to dimensions. Then extrude this sketch. We need to cut out these 1, 2 and 3 sketches from the solid body. Then our model should be completed. Let's start modeling. Select the front plane for the sketch. Start the sketch with the line tool from the origin point. Draw a 108 mm straight line to the left side. Then, draw the line to the straight upside along with 24 plus 32 mm. Next, to the straight right side along with 44 plus 32 mm. Then, straight downside along with 32 mm. Again to the straight right side along with 12 plus 6 mm. Then, join the first point of the sketch and close the figure. Make sure we draw a sketch with perfect dimensions as given in the diagram. Extrude this sketch with the mid-plan option. Here we need to calculate extruding value, like 12 plus 40 plus 12. 64 mm. Select this face for the sketch. Draw a 40 diameter circle with this midpoint of the solid edge. Select Extruded Cut tool. Here we have done this cutout with two options. First we enter the blind value of 32 mm as given. Another option is to select up to the surface and select this face for the target. Both options are the same for this step. Go with any one. Select this face for the next cutout sketch. Draw corner rectangle tool. Start draw from this corner point of the solid in this direction, along with 20 mm width of the rectangle, and 108 minus 88 mm length of the rectangle. This is the square of 20 mm. Draw one more square from this corner point, in this direction, along with 20 mm. Once we select Extruded Cut tool, and this time we select through all option for this cutout. Select this face for the sketch. Draw a circle with this corner point of the solid. 44 radius of this circle is given. So, here we enter diameter 88 mm for this circle. Select Extruded Cut tool. And enter the given value of 44 mm. That's it. Our 3D model is completed. Apply any appearance for this model, as you like or as per your requirement. I hope all steps are you understood. Keep practice to make this model. If you have any questions, so comment to me. As soon as possible I'll answer you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next exercise video. Have a nice day.